Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be doing some interior cleaning on this leather, which as you can see, really needs it. So what I have here is the Duragloss leather kit from Car Care Products. So this is what you get in the kit, everything here. So you'll get your leather conditioner, your leather shampoo, a foam applicator, a mint Car Care leather brush, and a microfiber cloth. So this kit, as I said, was sent to me by Car Care Products. So yeah, they wanted me to try this out. Now I have leather in Letitia's Evo 10, my wife's Evo 10 out there, you can see, but it's pretty maintained and isn't really that dirty. Now this is my brother's family car. I just made a video cleaning the wheels, and as you saw, those were also filthy. So I just finished washing the car itself, so it's pretty clean now for what I wanted to do for just a free job. But the main thing he was worried about is this interior. He does not look after this car, so well, yeah, cleaning wise, I should say, he does look after the car, but this is just, kids are in the back, dogs, so unfortunately it came with partial white leather. You can see the black leather doesn't look too bad. So most people that have black leather, their seats, you know, they think they're pretty clean, but if it was white, it would end up looking like this. So yeah, you can see lots of dirt, marks, this center section here especially. So this will be a really good test for this kit. So yeah, I'm going to try it out, and just quickly, if you'd like to buy this, there will be a link in the description. It's actually on sale at the moment as well. So it is on sale, normally $60, it's actually $55 at the moment. I believe that is correct. If I'm wrong, I'll put the price up on the screen. But yeah, really good price for all of this. So I haven't used these products before. I've used a lot of Duragloss products in the past, but I've never used their leather conditioner and shampoo. So I'm really interested to see how it's going to do on this. So what I want to start on is here. I'm actually going to put some tape down, right down the middle here. Do this section first and see how it looks. So yeah, let's see, because I did just fold down this section, and yeah, you can see what this leather is meant to look like. It's super nice. So obviously this section's never really been touched. So yeah, we're about to clean the whole interior. Just started doing a little bit of vacuuming before I stopped and thought, no, I should do this interior first and film this. So yeah, we've still got vacuuming to do over that side of the seat, but since we're just going to do this section, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I will put some tape down, put the GoPro on my head, and yeah, let's try this kit out. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got some tape down, got the GoPro on my head. Really hope you can see this, because yeah, once we start, that's kind of hard. So this one, the leather shampoo, is what we're going to be cleaning it with. So this is a 236ml bottle, so yeah, decent size, and yeah, a little sprayer, as you can see. So directions are just to spray onto the leather, brush gently with a soft brush, and wipe with a clean cloth. Now this came with one cloth. Obviously with this interior I'm going to need more, so I've grabbed a couple extra there. So yeah, let's start, and let's just get a couple of sprays. Grab our leather brush. And let's just give that a quick wipe, pick up what we've got so far. So yeah. Yeah, you can already see the difference, and look what that has picked up. So let's go again. Trying to not sort of go into the over the tape line, which kind of makes it harder. section here. And we'll just finish off by getting this part. Let's just give that a wipe. Yeah, that leather now looks really nice. Now, yeah, like I said, because I was trying to not go into this section or go over the tape, I've left a few spots, which obviously I'll fix. Haven't really done, the entire thing. But let's peel back the tape. So yeah, check that out. That's like a minute, not even worth of work. That's just the cleaner. So then we would put our conditioner on, which I actually wish I didn't peel that tape back, because I probably wanted to do that first. So yeah, I might reapply the tape, but yeah, have a look at that. Just, 30 seconds of wiping. And it looks like that. So I'm going to put some more tape on. I'm actually just going to put the conditioner on as well. And to see how it looks. I do want to clean it a little bit more. I'm not 100% finished, so I won't do that yet. So I'll put the tape back on. I'm going to finish cleaning, and then we will peel the tape, and then we'll put our conditioner, peel the tape back, and we'll get a full-on proper 50-50. But this is the start with just a quick clean. So yeah, I'll pick this back up once we are ready to put this conditioner on. All right, guys, done a little bit more cleaning, and it looks a bit better. Unfortunately, the seatbelt here was sort of pulled out and sitting across, and it's kind of damaged the leather a little bit. But yeah, we got it pretty good. There's a few marks left, but I was mainly focusing on this area, so disregard all over here. I wasn't really cleaning much here. I just started wiping a little bit, but thought, no, let's just get this done, because as you can see, this car's in a bit of a state. So I've got, hopefully that's not in your wrecking the shot. Now I've got quite a bit of work left to do, if you can look at the rest of the interior. So just to get the video done, or the part where I just want to show you at the start, I will come back and show you everything once it's finished. But yeah, I just want to try out this conditioner. So giving it a shake up. This one is a squeeze bottle, so it looks like we just apply. So I'm just going to do that a little bit. We just apply, wipe it in, and no need to wipe off. So yeah, it doesn't really make a lot of sense doing it like this with that tape there, because obviously there's bits where I haven't properly cleaned, but it's alright, we'll go back over it with a cleaner anyway. But just for the sake of the video, we'll do the black section here too. One thing with these gel ones is to be careful, and maybe don't do your first wipe when you've just put the gel on into the perforated sections, because yeah, you'll end up with a runny section in there. So I don't really know why I've started doing this part here. I haven't really cleaned properly yet, but you can see what it looks like on the white leather and the black. So there we go, and definitely gonna have to leave that to dry for a minute. But let's peel our tape up, and yeah, wow. I'm gonna pull the camera off my head now. So there is the before and after. That's, I guess, what happens when you have kids and don't really clean your interior and all, but yeah, how good does that look? Really easy to use product too. Like, it wasn't a lot of work. Like, it looks dirty, but it's just a light layer of dirt that will wipe straight off, as you can see. So yeah, there's our 50-50 shot. Move these extra microfibers out of the way. So yeah, I think we found our thumbnail there too. I think we'll place the products down there and get a photo. But yeah, so that conditioner has already done its thing. It's no longer really feeling wet and greasy. It's pretty much dried, and the leather feels amazing and smells really nice too, which is always a bonus for leather products. I've actually used one that I didn't like the smell of at all, but yeah, this one definitely smells nice. So yeah, I want to finish this interior now. I'm really keen to see this whole thing done, so I'm going to put the camera down. I'll pick this back up once I've finished doing all the seats. I'm doing all the doors and all the other parts of the interior, vacuuming obviously as well. But yeah, I just wanted to get this part done, the filming, so I can just put the camera down and yeah, just charge away at it, finish this off, and then I'll pick this back up and show you guys the finished result. Alright guys, a couple hours later and have finished on the seats. So yeah, if you can remember what they looked like before, which I'm sure you can because it's only been a few short seconds for you guys and a couple of hours for me. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they were not quite this color. They were pretty brown. Whereas now, yeah, they're looking really nice, sort of white leather. They are, I don't know if they, yeah, I'd say it's more white than cream, but yeah, looking really good. Really happy with it. They feel amazing. I've done the conditioner as well, so I probably shouldn't do that with my dirty hand. I have to clean that section now again. But yeah, they look really good and yeah, feel amazing. So yeah, this was the kit that we got sent out by Car Care Products. So yeah, the Duragloss 441 leather shampoo and the Duragloss 221 leather conditioner, as well as the mint brush. And obviously I've used the applicator sponge and the microfiber. So yeah, came out amazing, worked really well. So yeah, this kit is $55 currently on sale, down from $60. But for, even if it's $60 and it's no longer on sale by the time you watch this and look to buy it, really good value in my mind, because you get everything you need. And yeah, one thing I always like with these, I may have mentioned at the start, leather cleaners that sort of smell nice, because I mean, interior is where you spend all your time when you're driving your car. I'm more in the modifying car community than the car detailing community, I guess, because my main channel is modifying cars. But most people just go crazy on modifying everything and never really touch their interior, where my big thing at the moment, or for the last year, has been to really transform my interior, because that is where you spend all your time. So I'm always keeping it clean and making it nicer by adding, you know, leather and Alcantara and all that sort of stuff. So it's the same thing for if you're not in the modified car world and you just got your regular family car like this. What I'd suggest is keep it clean inside. It makes such a difference. And then if you've got a nice smelling car, so this is just leather, now it smells like fresh leather. That's kind of the smell that this goes for. It's similar to another one I used to use. But yeah, this car smells really nice now. I'm looking forward to dropping it back off to my brother and yeah, just having him have a look and see if he notices the smell as well. But yeah, so I'm about said all I need to say about the kit. So yeah, thanks to the guys at Car Care Products for sending it out. There is a link in the description to both this kit and as well just to Car Care Products in general. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys go check them out. Lots of good brands. And yeah, they have good stores. I don't know about other states, but the store in Brisbane is great. I've received some really good advice from the guys there over the years. So yeah, definitely recommend them. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And definitely make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I'd really appreciate that. Really enjoying making these videos for you guys. And if there's anything you'd like to see me make next, definitely let me know. Still taking requests for video ideas and product reviews that you'd like to see done. Did actually just go pick up a few new products today for a future video. So as always, leave the suggestions down below. But with all that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.